30 days 30 Ayurveda Shloka, Day 18. Today's shloka is about Lakshana of Katuras. Katu means pungent taste. Udvejayati jimmagram kurvam chimichimam katuhu shravayatyakshinā sisyam kapolau dahati vacha. These are the Lakshana of Katurasa. Udvejayati jimmagra stimulates the tip of the tongue. Kurvam chimichimam katuhu. Katurasa causes irritation in mouth. Shravayatyakshinasasya. Katurasa causes secretion from eye, nose and mouth. Kapolav dahati vacha. It causes the burning sensation in the cheeks. Thank you.